Olympus stereo microscopes are used every day for important tasks in many fields, including materials and life science research. Our new ergonomic stereo microscope components can put your body at ease. These accessories enable any operator to perform microscope observations with a comfortable, natural posture. The extendable eye point adjuster can change the total height by 4.7 inches, 120 millimeters. The height of the eyepieces can be adjusted up and down to accommodate the height of different users. The angle of the eyepieces can also be adjusted from 5 to 45 degrees, allowing users to make their observations from a natural posture. This does not put extra strain on the neck. The ergonomic design of Olympus's microscopes helps to improve workflow efficiency and productivity, since users make their observations in a comfortable posture that minimizes discomfort. Ranging from standard imaging to advanced research, these ergonomic components can be added to the SZX16, SZX10, and SZX7 stereo microscopes. For more information about Olympus's ergonomic industrial microscope solutions, contact your local sales representative or visit our website at www.olympus-ims.com.